Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. Here we are going to talk about how you can create your own GPT and make money without any coding experience. Well, exactly 9 days ago, Sam Altman, the OpenAI CEO, hosted a major event announcing exciting new features coming soon to ChatGPT. You can watch the complete video here. I will share the link in the description below. In that event, Altman covered a wide range of topics and even brought out Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella to talk about Microsoft partnership with OpenAI. Here, one of the most notable announcement was that ChatGPT will soon allow users to create and monetize their own personalized GPTs. This new feature will let individuals build custom GPTs tailored to their specific niche, skills, hobbies, talent, or business needs. The best part is OpenAI team will share millions in monthly revenue with the creator who build the most useful and engaging GPTs. And to be honest, these creator chatbots have huge potential to provide specialized assistance to people across many fields and industries. However, it's important to note that you will need to purchase the ChatGPT Pro version, that is the GPT-4, to access this feature. With that said, let's start with how you can create GPTs for yourself. The first step is to access GPT. To create your own customized GPT within ChatGPT, first you need to log into your ChatGPT account and navigate to the Explore tab present on the left sidebar. Once in the Explore tab, you will see an option to create a GPT listed near the top of the page. Click this to begin. This will open an interface that allows you to train a specific GPT on virtually any topic you choose. It's that simple. Now the second step is to creating your own GPT. I know you may be thinking that creating your own GPT may seem like an extremely complex and difficult process. However, it's way easier. You just need to note that you don't need to write thousands of lines of code or come with a multi-million-dollar business idea. The key is simply identifying a problem or need that a customized AI assistant could help address and then clearly explaining that to ChatGPT during the training process. Let's take a simple example. I have written this simple prompt, that is, you are here to assist writer with a wide range of needs, from offering suggestion and advice to helping them generate income and improve their skills. To help in this process, I have also uploaded my own book as a reference, and then I wrote a bit of more sentences. The best part is you don't have to find a good name for your GPT or draw a logo for that. The GPT will simply find a name for it and ask you for any suggestions. As you can see, here is the details in the configure tab based on what we have done in the create tab. Now the last step is to configuring your GPT. Well, as we know, following the previous instruction, ChatGPT will automatically try to add some info in the configure tab. For sure, you can change these details if you want. You can also change the way conversation starts, or you can keep it as it is. Once you finish setting this up, the next step is to upload your document, and the process is like that. This the art of, yeah. So I have uploaded my own book to it. After that, you can decide to make your chatbot public or not. As you can see, you can do it from here. This means you can use it for different things. You can talk to it about any topic or ask it questions, and it will do its best to give you good answers. I will link my own GPT in the description below. For sure, you can even add more info to this GPT by just editing it, as you can see it from here. Yeah, you can give more info about what you want, what are the modification you need to make, and that's it. Hope you like it. That's it. Thanks.